how to fix the server connection timed out on PS5. So here's what you want to do. Go into your settings. Once you have selected settings, choose network. Now you want to go and see if the service, you want to click on view service status here and see if all services are operational. If they're all operational, you will then go into, or you're going to go back and then select settings, choose setup internet connection. Now here you want to press the options button on your controller, which is going to be this one. So press the options button, go into advanced settings, and you want to go and find DNS settings, change this to manual. For the primary DNS, we're going to type 1.1.1.1, and for the secondary DNS, you want to type 1.0.0.1. Once you do that, click on OK. This is just going to verify your connection to the internet, and it should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.